Derek with the Eliminex. We're here in Middletown, New Jersey. I just came back from the gym. It's pretty convenient. And this is night number 2. Well, it's really night number 3. This is the 3rd night. But the first night, I guess that counts. But the first night was dropping off the traps. So really, it's realistically my second repeat visit. And oh yeah, we definitely got a raccoon. That was our target animal. Sometimes we'll end up catching cat or a possum. Let's take a look. Whoa, look how big he is. Alright, I'm going to take him away. He's all alive now. He's not sleeping. I'm going to take him to the release spot. It was already planned. And then go prepare for tomorrow and Wednesday's work.